Hello everyone, just bought this ICD-SX712 and I am unboxing it for you. I'm actually using it right now to record this and overlap it over the video. So alright, we're gonna watch me open this box and flip it backwards and go through the contents. Alright. Let's see here. Because of support homepage, read this is important, limited warranty, CD, and the operating instructions. You also have the headphones it comes with. I guess they're okay. They just look like normal headphones. I don't think I'd be using them. And you got your mini USB to USB if you wanted to connect it directly from your recorder to the computer in case you have anything stored in your internal hard drive. It comes with a carrying case. There you go. And the box with the recorder that I'm using right now. Alright, take out that, and it almost sounds like I'm recording at the same time, but I'm recording it separately. This is the part where I have a hard time getting the batteries out. I think they're AA. Let me check. I think they're AAA. It comes included with AAA batteries, and when you pop out the back, it has that plastic thingy. So I guess so it doesn't fall off when you're trying to move it around or whatever, just in case anything happens. Okay, and that is its first initialization. It's gonna ask you to set the date and time, and this will probably take a while because I don't really know what time it is, and I realized, crap, I don't have my watch with me. I just know what day it is. And pretty soon I'm gonna leave you guys with a blurry screen. Right now. Just blurriness. Blank. Blank nothing. Until I get my watch. And this is me showing you that I could match the time at the same time with my recorder. Boom, skills. And it comes, I guess, when you start it. It starts off with 320 kilobits per second with 13 hours. Internal memory, it's just 13 hours of recording time already. Oh no, now it's back to 192K. You can choose your scenes, and this is the quick run for what's in your menu and all that jazz. And you have that again, the microphone thing, and that is the hold bar, so you could turn it off or put on hold volume, then your A and B, or if you want to erase your recording, then you have those stuff that I have yet to look into. And that is your microphone in, audio out, and memory stick Pro Duo Micro. And that's the front. Now I'm gonna turn it off. Thanks for looking, guys. This is the unboxing of the ICD-SX712. If you guys have any questions, just leave a comment and I will try to get back to you as soon as I can.